Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio. It's now October, which means we're getting close to Halloween, and I decided to draw Vampire Mickey. So if you want to draw Vampire Mickey, come join me and I'll show you an easy step-by-step. All right everyone, let's get started with Vampire Mickey. It's going to be super easy, and the first thing we're going to do is his chin. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little curve like a smiley face or like the letter U. So here we have his chin, or his chin, but it's gonna be like the letter U or like a smiley face, and I stopped it at the same height. So I'm gonna just extend that. And then from here, what we're gonna do is his head. So we're gonna draw a big circle that's connected to this. So I'm just gonna draw a big circle. So there we have his head, and as I drew the circle, I turned the paper because it just makes it easier, at least for me. But you guys could try that out. And the next thing we're gonna do is draw the details in his face. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with his cheeks. And for his cheeks, they're just curves. So on the right side, I'm gonna come in just a little bit, and I'm gonna make a curve like a hill that goes out to the side of his face. Here we have one side of his cheek, and then we're gonna copy that same design on the left side. And then from here, since we have his cheeks, which I did at the same height, I came across, made a dot, and then made the curve like a hill or a rainbow. And what we're gonna do from here is draw his eyes. So what his eyes are gonna be, they're gonna look like a heart that's connected to this. So it's not gonna be pointy at the bottom, it's just gonna be more round. And I'm gonna come right in the middle. Here I'm gonna make a little dot, just so I know where the middle would be, and then I'm gonna curve and make almost like a heart shape. So there we have one side, so it kind of looks like one side of a heart, and then we're gonna copy the same design on the left side. Awesome. So there we have where his eyes are gonna go. So from here, what we could do is we could draw all the details inside. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna draw a little curve like a rainbow, and this is gonna be right under where his cheek starts. So I'm gonna come down, and then just right in the middle, I'm gonna make a curve like a rainbow. Just like that. And then on top of this are where his eyes are gonna go. So for his eyes, they're gonna be big loops. So I'm gonna start with the left eye, and it's gonna lay right on this curve that we made. It's just like a big loop or like a big oval, and I'm gonna do the same design on the right side. And what we're gonna do is right where this little peak is, we're just gonna leave that space in the middle, and then I'm gonna do one on the right. So there we have the outside of his eyes and the details of his eyes, his pupils. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this same loop like an oval. It's just gonna be touching the inside parts of his eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a loop that goes up, and it's not gonna be all the way at the top. And I'm just gonna bring it back down and touch the bottom. I left some space on the side, and I left a lot more space at the top. And I'm gonna copy the same thing on the left side, just like that. There we have his eyes, and once we color it in, it's gonna look super cool. Yeah. From here, right under this curve that we made like a rainbow, we're gonna draw his nose, and his nose is an oval and it's just flat. So I'm gonna make it a little shorter than these lines, and I'm just gonna draw one oval, leaving a little bit of space. Just like that. There we have his little button nose. Bing, bing. So cute. And then from here, what we could do is we could draw a big curve like a smiley face, and we're gonna come up to where this rainbow was. So if I come over, I'm gonna make a little point, left some space, and I'll do the same thing on the right side, make a point, and all we're gonna do is make one big curve like a smiley face. There we have a really, really, really big smile. And from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy, his mouth's gonna be open, so we're gonna copy the same design as his chin, and we could really start here. So we're gonna make the same U or bowl. And what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna leave a little bit of space. So look, I'm gonna do it first. So we copy that same U, leaving a little bit of space. And what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna connect it to his mouth. So it's just gonna be like his mouth is really wide and open. Just like that, same thing on the left side. And there we have Mickey smiling really, really, really big. So from here, what we could do is we could draw some details in there, and we could draw his tongue. So his tongue is gonna be like two mountains or two hills connected. And we're gonna start on the left side, make a hill, down, and then make another hill connected to the right side. There we have his tongue. And one more detail we could do to his smile is at each end, we're just gonna make a rainbow that's right attached. There we have Mickey and his gorgeous smile. So it is gonna be a vampire, and we'll do those little details last. What we're gonna do next are his ears. So all we have left is his ears, his little fangs, and his little cape. So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully you guys are having fun. Please like and subscribe. So let's do his ears next. That's what we know. His ears are big circles. So we're gonna draw one on the right and one on the left. And I am gonna start where this curve started. So right where it touches the top, I'm gonna come around and then just reach the other side. There we have one ear, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Wherever this one started, I'll start as well, and then just curve and connect to the other side. Guys, I'm super excited. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays. It's so fun to dress up and just see like all these cool costumes and all these cool ideas. Emmy girl already knows what she's gonna be, but I don't wanna spoil that. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna be. So there we have his ears. And then from here, we could draw a bow right in the middle. So we're gonna do a bow and a cape just to add more flavor to it. So right in between his mouth, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw an oval, just not the top of the oval, because it's gonna look like it's behind his mouth. So I'm just gonna come down with something kind of looks like a vertical line, make a U for the bottom of the oval, and then come back and connect it right to his bottom of his mouth. Kind of looks like a tongue sticking out. Then from here, we could draw the bow parts of his bow. I'm gonna turn the paper because I feel like it makes it easier. And for his bow, it's also gonna look like hearts. So I'm gonna attach it right here to the peak or the bottom of his mouth. And I'm gonna make a curve like a heart. I'm gonna come down to a point. And this one's just gonna be a little skinnier at the bottom. I'm gonna come out, and I'm gonna connect it right to the bottom of the oval we made. There we have one side of the bow, and I'm gonna copy that same design on the left side. So there we have a little bow. Look how cute that looks. And then from there, what we could do is we could do his cape, because he's a vampire, hello? So what we're gonna do is right by his cheek, I'm gonna come over, and I'm gonna make a curve that goes up to the side of the paper. So right here, I'm just gonna curve up to a point. And I'll do the same thing on the right side, on the left side, and I'm just gonna come over, make a little dot just so I know where to start. And I'm gonna make that same curve that goes up to the side of the paper, just like that. And then from there, the cape is gonna come down. So we're gonna connect it right to this little curve that we made. I also could say, guys, that the bows, it looks like a backward C, two backward C's connected, or two regular C's. So right from this middle of the heart or the C's, I'm gonna make a curve that goes up and connects to this little curved line that we made. There we have one side of the cape. Look how cool that looks. And then we're gonna copy that same design on the left side. Look at that, his cape looks so cool. This is gonna be the inside of the cape, and we're just gonna do one more layer outside. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna come a little lower, and we're just gonna make a curve that connects to that same point. As we got closer, it got a little skinnier. So you come up a little thicker and then skinnier to reach that point, and we'll do the same design on the left side. There we have his cape. And the last thing we need are his teeth, his vampire teeth, and they're pointy and they look like a triangle that's upside down, and it's gonna be connected to his smile. So right here, right by his curve of his mouth, I'm gonna make a diagonal line that goes to the right, and then I'm gonna return to his mouth with another diagonal line. Whoa, there we have one vampire tooth. And then we're gonna copy that same design on the left. This time the diagonal line goes to the left. And there we have Vampire Mickey. He looks so awesome. I'm so excited to color him in. So guys, grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and stay tuned to see the final look. All right, guys, and there we have Vampire Mickey. Look how cool he looks. He looks so happy, first of all. He has a really big smile. As you can see, guys, that second layer we did black, so it looks like it's the outside. And then I thought it would be super cool to put blood on his teeth. Hello, he's a vampire.
Amazing.
So what I did was I just made like little squiggly lines on the teeth and then colored the bottom red. And the little drops look like teardrops. So skinny at the top and then round at the bottom. Hopefully you guys found this fun. Hopefully you guys found it easy. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. And guys, maybe in the comments you can leave a suggestion for our next video, something spooky for Halloween, or it's just something cute, guys. So stay tuned for more cool spooky characters for Halloween or just cool characters in general. Thank you guys. Bye.